Green Carpet Cleaning, Happy Valley, Oregon. Hey, we got ourselves basically a 3-bedroom house, and I believe the tenant was here for about 8 years, never had the carpets professionally cleaned or anything, and had a cat, so I know that there is probably going to be debris galore in the carpeting here. So first things first, the homeowner did go through and vacuum everything, but regardless, we're going to take our CRB and go through and loosen up carpet fibers and pull out as much lint and stuff as we possibly can. And then we're probably going to end up going over it again with another vacuum just to pick all that dry, loose soiling and hair and everything up off the carpet. So what we're going to do is we're going to CRB for animal hair. We're going to vacuum it up. We're going to put down our pre-spray. We're going to agitate it again with the CRB. And then we are going to go through and extract it all. And that generally does an awesome green style carpet cleaning, especially when you're using a soap-free product that is made out of organic and natural materials. It doesn't have any soap residue. And it really gets all that dirt loosened up and removed. It is a natural deodorizer, especially when you're putting in some hydrogen peroxide into your clean, just to give it a little bit more oomph in the cleaning. And it really is safe for young children and pets, and it does a really good job at cleaning at the same time. Okay, so what the CRB did is it went through and it helped to loosen up all the fibers and kind of open them up, as well as loosening debris that were just kind of matted to it and stuck to it. I did pick up quite a few things, but now we're going to go over with our with the Kirby vacuum here, and we're just going to pick up all the dry debris that it loosened up out of the fibers. Generally, in a place this size, considering they told me it's been 8 years since it's been cleaned, you can probably expect to see anywhere from a half to a full Kirby bag in these 5 rooms by the time we're done. So, I didn't notice tons and tons of debris coming out of the carpeting. Like they mentioned that there was a cat in here. I did not see tons of matted cat hair like is normally expected, so they must have had a decent vacuum and vacuumed regularly, so they did a pretty good job. There were some hair that came out, and we may end up vacuuming up a whole bunch more, but from what I saw by doing the initial CRB just to loosen stuff up, everything did loosen up very good, and I didn't see tons of debris pouring out like I was kind of anticipating or expecting there to be. Alright, so we went ahead and we vacuumed everything, and I was really surprised it did not have nearly the debris that I was expecting to come out. It was basically all dirt, so we got about 2 pounds of dirt out of the carpet. So that's all stuff. 2 pounds might be overdoing it a little bit. It was probably a pound and a half of dirt. And so that's all stuff that just literally turns to mud during steam cleaning. So I always feel good about getting as much of that out in a dry form as we possibly can before we even get started. So looking around, the carpet looks much brighter with just all the debris and stuff that we were able to get out of it. So now I'm going to go through with our multi-sprayer here. We're going to spray the carpets down real good with our green carpet cleaning solution. And then we will go back over them again with the CRB here, because there are some brushes that will cause some agitation as far as scrubbing that pre-spray cleaning solution into the carpet fibers, just getting it really down there very well and thoroughly and scrubbing the carpet. So it's like hiring a bunch of maids to come through your house with scrub brushes and scrub all your carpets, because this machine is literally scrubbing at you can see the axle rods there, and then that blue brush down there. It's literally rotating around 475 times per minute, so it's really just going through there and scrubbing and lifting out any debris and things that are in the carpeting, which we've already done. So as far as sticky stuff like this stuff here, the cleaning solution with some agitation with this brush will just completely obliterate all that sort of stuff out of here. Looking around, of course, this is probably going to be permanent. This looks like color loss to me there, and we will follow up possibly with a little bit of rust remover to see if we can get this up. However, peroxide sometimes does weird things that you would never expect to rust, so we'll see how bad that is. My guess is that it's rust. It could be soda, but my gut tells me it's rust because it's never as easy as you hope it is. And then this here is probably food discoloration. We'll see what we can do here, but don't think there's going to be much hopes of that there, just because of the age of the carpeting. It is in really good shape, but when you start dealing with age and wear and losing stain resistance and that sort of stuff, you risk actually just re-dyeing and bleaching the carpets. So that's essentially what happens, and they can be re-dyed. However, we're not doing any dyeing. Okay, so I've applied the pre-spray to a few rooms, and now we are going to take that cylindrical brush machine, CRB for short, and we're going to take it and we're going to agitate all the carpeting with this machine. And what it's going to do, as you can see, it just scrubs that pre-spray throughout all the carpet fibers, and it does a really good job. So we're going to take it through the bedrooms. I did not pre-spray it clear down in the back dining room area or this front room area here. I'll go ahead and do the bedrooms first, and then we will go ahead and make up some more pre-spray, do that back dining room, and then finish up through here. And it should look absolutely night and day difference. And then we have yet one more step to go through with the steam cleaning process to extract all that stuff back out of the carpeting. However, this is a soap-free product. It is eco-friendly, it's soap-free, it's residue-free, so technically you can use it to clean your carpets and do some surface cleaning and just leave that cleaner in your carpet. It'll dry, it'll basically, because it's like 100%, I should say like 99.8% biodegradable, it will completely, pretty much just disintegrate, and then the next time you vacuum your carpets, you'll just pick up any of the dirt and stuff that it was able to release and loosen from the carpet, along with any hair and matted nasty stuff that's in the carpet. So if you're looking for a quick like refreshener, sanitizer sort of cleaning deal, that is a really good one, because it literally takes half as much effort as doing the whole steam cleaning bit, especially if you just had your carpet steam cleaned, let's say in the last 6 months or so. I probably wouldn't take it over like 14 months, but within 14 months you can go ahead and run the sanitizer. Let's say you're having guests or something over, and it will make the carpets look absolutely beautiful and new, just like they had just been professionally steam cleaned. However, we were just surface cleaning, and because we pull out so much debris from the carpets as we're cleaning, your carpets will be cleaner and it'll smell fresher, because there won't be that dry soil accumulation in the carpet. So it is good for a good year, 16 months, something like that you can just go through and run that refresher over and over through your carpets, just to get them to that peak optimal appearance of just looking absolutely fresh and clean. So right now we're just going to go through and continue agitating all the carpeting. Okay, so upon pre-scrubbing, I'd say there was a lot more that came out than I originally anticipated was going to. I thought that a lot of this stuff was permanent. A lot of it did come up, or at least lightened. Most of this rust came right up. There's still a little bit there. However, I don't think I'm even going to deal with it. We're going to give it an extraction now. But this looks absolutely beautiful as far as just loosening up those carpet fibers and pulling all that matted gunk out of there and then scrubbing it really good to pick up any extra residue and all that. And the best thing is that this is all eco-friendly, biodegradable, and it's going to be completely safe, so babies can be rolling around on the carpet. Dog can be dragging its hindquarters across the carpets again. Baby play in the feces is absolutely awesome, but we go ahead and clean it all up and sterilize it so you don't have to be worried about any of that.